Hello and welcome. I am Bjorn from REVER, and today we're going to walk through how to use GoPro in the REVER app. So with your new GoPro, either a Hero 9, 10, or 11, you can control it through the REVER app, so you can focus more on riding and less with fumbling on the camera. So the app's going to open up into the track tab. From there, if you go into Profile in the lower right corner, then we're going to go under Garage and Gear and select My Gear, Add Connected Gear, and then connect device to the GoPro Quick app. Once your GoPro is ready in the proper settings for pairing, you just select My GoPro is ready. REVER will find your camera, connect your camera, and then it's going to show you kind of what you can do with GoPro in REVER. So you're going to go ahead and zoom and pan on the map where you want to draw the area, and then you can select Start Drawing. So I'm going to navigate over to our local motocross track. It's pretty close to where I'm from or where I live, and I'm going to select Start Drawing. Draw a nice circle around this cool triple that I really enjoy hitting, and that way my GoPro turns on when I enter into that zone and then turns off when I exit that zone. You hit End Drawing and then Save. You will name this zone so you know what this is selecting. Hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and add another zone. I'm going to go back to that motocross track and select a larger section involving some corners. Start drawing. Draw on the map in the circle that you want, and then end drawing, save, rename. If you are a street rider, this is also great. If you know of an awesome canyon road or some curvy turns, you can build this zone in, and that way you don't have to worry about touching your camera while you're riding, and it will automatically turn on if you're using the REVER app. So I'm going to go into this canyon. This is the Glenwood Canyon on I-70. It's an interstate, but it is a beautiful canyon road. So I just draw it, name the zone, hit OK. I'm going to exit out all the way back to the track tab. And once I'm back to the track tab, there is the camera in the upper left. You can click into that, and that gets you into that same menu. If you click on one of those zones, it will show you exactly where on the map that is. You can deactivate it, activate it. There's the other one. I'm going to delete this one. And there you go. You have your zone set up. You're ready to go ride. If you want to, learn some more information on exactly how this works, the steps that I'm walking through, if you touch the question mark in the upper right, it'll bring you into this screen, which kind of breaks down exactly how to use this. At this time, you can only use this with one GoPro. If you do have a second GoPro, you'll need to delete the first one out of gear in order for this to work properly. All right, ride on. Enjoy your time.